Hey, today we are next to a Golf MK7 in variant, in combi body style, and we are going to replace backup lights with LEDs. I have this set of white LEDs from Aglint, and I'm going to install just one on one side. We will compare how it looks and then install the other one just to complete the modification. So with the trunk open, you want to remove this cover. There's a little slot over here and you can use your car key to open it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, and you don't have to remove this module, you don't have to unplug this because the reverse light is over here. You just need to grab it. Oh, let me just adjust the light. You can just grab it, rotate it counterclockwise and take it out. And now you can replace this bulb with LED. This is W16W, I believe, and the holder is T15, but you can also fit T10 LEDs if you want to. If you have some really bright T10, you can plug it over here. Okay, so let's try to do it, and you will see how it works. Okay, that's it. Let's leave the cover off and let's check how it looks. Okay, now with the ignition on but the engine off, let's turn off the radio, press the brake, don't start the engine, put it in reverse. There's going to be an alarm. You cannot dismiss it, and let's check how it looks. This is the original one. And this is the LED. Okay, I would say that the LED is brighter. I'm happy with it. Let's go with the left side now and replace the left one. Okay, I've replaced both, and right now it's dark outside, so you can check exactly how bright those LEDs are. So once again, ignition on, radio off, brake, reverse, and let's go. Okay, let's turn it off, not to wake up my neighbors. Okay, so as can you see, it's a simple modification if you want more light behind your car when you're backing up. So that's pretty much it. Quick and easy modification. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this tutorial. Check my other tutorials for more Volkswagen stuff and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.